Hey everyone, so I work on a Mac and I get asked often how I use Articulate Storyline on a Mac because Articulate Storyline is currently only available for Windows operating system. So I use an application called Parallels so that I can work in both operating systems at the same time. And I do have some tips about that are coming. And I've talked about it a little bit before, so if you dig back in the archives, you'll find some videos. But what I wanted to focus on today is how I install fonts for use in Articulate Storyline on my Mac. So if you're familiar with Mac operating system, to install a font, you go to Applications and Font Book, and then you just drag over your font file. So here I have this OK font. Oh, you just drag it over into, into the list, and it installs the font. Cool. So here's our font. But if you install the font on the Mac operating system, you're not going to see it when you open up Storyline because Storyline's a Windows program. So what you have to do, and this could be different if you're using a different manner, like boot camp to dual boot. Now what we're going to do here is the first thing you want to know is you need to make sure Storyline is closed, because if you try to install a font that you need to use in Storyline with it open, you won't see it until you've restarted Storyline. Then we're going to go to our Windows operating system, and yes, I'm still like clinging to Windows 7 with my cold dead hands because I prefer it to Windows 10. And we are going to go into our computer, and we're going to go to our C drive and Windows, and then within the C drive / Windows folder, you will see a fonts folder. Go in there, and then we're going to do the same thing where we drag our font from our folder and drop it into the Windows font folder. And that's all you have to do to install a font for use in Storyline on both your Windows and Mac operating system. If you don't want it installed on your Mac operating system, you don't need to install it on your Mac operating system. But if you want to use it in Storyline, you need to install it on the Windows operating system.